can go to this and I can take my blade and work the edge. So you'll see good videos of this elsewhere on the website, but honestly, I've been in the fire service around 30 years, specifically focusing on hose and nozzles. And the more I think about this bladed and tight pattern, it fixes the traditional problems of having a smoothbore nozzle and having to have some sort of pattern with your thumb or baling or some sort of material to try to get a quasi bladed pattern that's never consistently produced. Or if you have a fog nozzle and you go to the fog position and you get a mist of small droplets that just blows away and you don't get good suppression.